Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I got a package came in and let's go check it out. I've been waiting for a week now and I'm excited. And so come on, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh snap. What is this? A huge box from Santa. Alright, so let's go check it out. Oh, been waiting for a week. Let's tear this thing up. Alright, I'm gonna have to set my camera and go give me a scissor. Let's go ahead and open this box. Damn. OMP bucket seats. Oh, nice. Okay, so the fitment of this bucket seats is snug, really good. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's just right. It's good for the shoulder length. Overall, yeah, I like it. It hugs me very well. Yeah, so this OMP WRC, the seat is for a large size, so I think it goes up to probably size 38 waist. So yeah, good. I like it. Okay, so let's talk about a little bit of this OMP seat. It's a WRC-R, size large. Like I said, it goes up to size 38 waist. Maybe size 40 you could get away with it. There's all the padding. I bought this seat used, and I can't pass it because the price are very affordable. So good thing I got a hold of this person right here and hook me up. Yeah, all this padding right here is all Velcro, everything, so I'm pretty sure you can wash these, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, it's easy to install. FIA standard. Alright, there's a little, oops, a little bit of scraping wear, which I'm fine with that. That doesn't affect anything as long as it hugs me. And yeah, and it comes with the bracket, the side bracket. Okay, here's the seat bracket. I think this one is going to be, I think, because this is these holes are for the tilt, so it's going to be on the right side like that, and this one's going to be on the left side. It's going to look like that. And then these holes on the bottom here, that's going to go for the seat rail, which I'm waiting on that as well. So these are the bolts. I don't know if you can read that, but okay, so I'm gonna put the side bracket installed to the seat, and then tie it up to make sure don't over tighten it. Remember, the seat is fiberglass, so just don't over tight. Just tight it good enough. So let's go ahead and put the bracket and put the bolts on and tie it up. Side bracket is on now. I didn't tighten it too much because first I gotta wait for my seat rail. With this setup right here, it has two holes. I don't know if you can see that, but I put the lowest setting because I want my seat to be low as possible. And plus, once you have the helmet on, you know, make sure that you have head clearance, so you don't want the helmet to be interfere to the top side of your car. So yeah, so I want my seat to be low as possible. And as far as this one, I put it the third hole for now. It could be changed because I want my seat to be tilt a little bit. So after I put the side bracket on, I noticed that the seat is a little bit tilt forward, and that's what I want. I don't want the seat to tilt back, and I want to be close to the steering wheel. Make sure my arms are comfortable. You want at least 90-degree angle on the steering wheel. And yeah, I can stick to this setup for now. All these setup on the rail here, it could change anytime, so I'm just going to leave as is. And so yeah, I enjoy the seat, very comfortable. A big guy like me, it just snug just right. If I get an extra large seat, I could be, it'd be too loose too. So, or maybe it could be just perfect. But overall, I'm happy with this seat right here, and a lot of good views on these OMP WRC-R. And so that's why I go with this seat. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here, and thanks for watching to the end. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe and share, and again, that will help me a lot. So I see you guys next time. Peace.